This video will show you how to set up your digital identity with myGovID. First, you need to download the myGovID app onto your Android or Apple device. Look for this icon within your App Store to make sure you download the right app. Also, have your identity documents ready and allow yourself enough time to set up your myGovID account. The process can take some time, and you need to have this done correctly before you can set up your ServiceWA app. Open the myGovID app and start setting up your digital identity. You'll be presented with important information about myGovID, including the terms of use. Once you're happy to proceed, tap Accept. Next, enter your personal email address and remember not to use a work or shared email. You will be sent a verification code to this email address, which you will need to use to verify it. You can also choose to secure your login using your device's security features, such as a fingerprint scan or Face ID. Finally, secure your myGovID with a password and enter your personal details. Remember, your name and date of birth must match your identity documents and be the same when you set up your ServiceWA app. Now you have a myGovID with a basic identity strength. To access the ServiceWA app, you are required to verify at least 2 Australian identity documents to achieve a standard identity strength. If you do not have Australian identity documents or are unsure of which are required, you can find out more from the myGovID website. Next step is verifying your identity documents, such as your driver's licence, passport, or birth certificate. Select the document type you want to verify. You can manually enter your document details or allow access to your camera and scan your documents. It's important to note you can only add your Medicare card after you've verified one of the other identity documents in your app. Once myGovID has verified 2 or more of your documents, you should be able to see your identity strength, shown as standard or strong. Well done. You have now created your digital identity.